What if one simple spice could support your immune system, protect your brain, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and even help your joints and heart? A spice so powerful that it has been used not just in kitchens, but in traditional medicine for thousands of years. This spice is bright yellow, warm, earthy, and often underestimated. Today, we're talking about turmeric. In this video, you'll discover what turmeric really is, what makes it so powerful, how it affects different organs in your body, the best ways and best times to consume it, and how to use it correctly to unlock its full benefits. Let's explore the golden spice that works quietly but deeply inside the body. Turmeric comes from the root of a plant in the ginger family. It looks similar to ginger, but inside it has a deep golden orange color. This color comes from turmeric's most important compound, called curcumin. Curcumin is the reason turmeric has gained global attention. It is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that affects the body at a cellular level. For centuries, turmeric has been used in cooking, healing rituals, and traditional medicine systems across Asia. Today, modern science continues to study turmeric because of its wide-ranging health effects. Let's talk about what's inside turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress. It also provides fiber, iron, potassium, manganese, and vitamin B6. While these nutrients matter, turmeric's true power comes from how curcumin interacts with your body. Inflammation is the root of many chronic problems, and turmeric helps calm that inflammation naturally. Now let's look at how turmeric affects different parts of your body. Starting with the immune system, turmeric helps regulate immune responses and supports the body's ability to fight infections. Its antioxidant properties help protect cells from damage and support faster recovery. For the digestive system, turmeric stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats and improves digestion. It can reduce bloating, support gut health, and help the liver perform its detoxification role more efficiently. In the brain, curcumin helps protect brain cells and supports cognitive function. Studies suggest it may help support memory and protect against age-related decline by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage in the brain. When it comes to the heart, turmeric helps support healthy blood circulation, reduces oxidative stress, and may help maintain balanced cholesterol levels. A calmer inflammatory environment means less strain on the cardiovascular system. For the joints and muscles, turmeric is especially well known. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce stiffness, discomfort, and joint stress, making it popular among people with active lifestyles and aging joints. Turmeric also supports skin health. By reducing inflammation and fighting free radicals, it may help promote clearer skin and a healthier glow from within. But here's something very important that many people don't know. Turmeric alone is not enough. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body unless it's consumed correctly. To unlock turmeric's full power, it needs black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 20 times. Healthy fats also help absorption. This small detail makes a huge difference. Now let's talk about the best ways to consume turmeric. One popular method is turmeric tea. Simmer turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root in water, add a pinch of black pepper, and drink it warm. This is great for digestion, immunity, and relaxation. Another traditional method is golden milk. Mix turmeric with warm milk or plant-based milk, add black pepper, and a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil. This is best consumed in the evening for calming effects and joint support. You can also use turmeric in cooking. Add it to soups, rice, vegetables, and lentils. Always combine it with black pepper and some fat to maximize benefits. Fresh turmeric root can be grated and added to food or tea, offering a more earthy and intense flavor. Turmeric supplements exist, but food-based turmeric is usually the safest and most natural starting point. Timing also matters. Consuming turmeric with meals is ideal, especially meals that contain healthy fats. This improves absorption and reduces the chance of stomach discomfort. Golden milk works well in the evening, while turmeric tea can be enjoyed during the day. Moderation is key. Small, consistent amounts work better than large doses. Some people should be cautious. Excessive turmeric may not be suitable for people with gallbladder issues, those on blood-thinning medication, or during pregnancy without medical advice. As always, natural does not mean unlimited. Turmeric teaches us something powerful. Healing doesn't always come from complex solutions. Sometimes it comes from understanding how to use simple foods the right way. This golden spice doesn't work overnight, but when used consistently and correctly, it supports the body quietly, deeply, and naturally. If you want to understand the real nutritional value of everyday foods and how they affect your body, FoodAware is here to guide you. Stay aware of what you eat, because food is not just fuel, it's information for your body.